Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I cannot wait to share with you about this amazing release that we're coming up on December 13 at 11 a.m. Central Time. This is our very first seasonal gift box. From the cover, you can see it has 4 premium hand-drawn sticker books that include the winter, spring, summer, and fall. And it's perfect time for the holiday. If you are gifting someone or if you want to get this as a gift for yourself in 2025, this is a beautiful option. It's a beautiful, very sturdy box, and it has the 4 season sticker books included. So let me open this, and even here it has the name for this release called Seasonal Sensations, and it has 4 amazing seasonal books. As you know, we release seasonal all the time, but this is our first time to do the box set, and we will release this as a whole set. They are not going to sold individually yet. We will release as the season comes. So for you to secure, the best way for you to secure is to get this box for the 4th season. The first one is Winter Wonderland. So we are tuned into more specific activities for each season. Like this one is more about the snow, the winter wonderland, like beautiful pastel color. This one is the Autumn Campfire. The Autumn Campfire is for the fall, the mountain, like you go camping or you go for a hiking. And this one is called the Nautical Summer. So it's about the ceiling, about ocean, about the beach, ocean life. This one is called Boho Spring. So it's all about the bohemian, the plants, the pattern, the decorative lifestyle that we are living. So that's why we are tuned into more specific, instead of release a very generic seasonal collection, we want to make it more refined. So we have the Boho Spring, Nautical Summer, the Autumn Campfire, and the Winter Wonderland. So this the 4 sticker book that we're releasing, this Seasonal Sensation gift box. Later on, we will have the PT box as well, but it's not here yet. So we want to release this box to you for the holiday season. Let me start doing the flip through for each, since we have 4 of them. Grab your favorite drink. Let's dive into it. So this is called Boho Spring, and as you see, the color palette is very neutral, very muted, not super loud. So maybe I should do the Winter Wonderland first, right? Because that's more the environment we're living in now. And I love all this texture, beautiful, sophisticated design, and exclusive drawing for our collection that you won't find anywhere else. We also, the designer, add shadows. We play with the shadow, we play with the color and the shape. So you're not just getting some sticker, you're getting a great piece of art that we have carefully designed. So where life plants you, bloom with grace. Beautiful greenhouse. Love this Boho Spring. Give me all that spring and green vibes. Nautical Summer. So this one is for the people who love some beach style. All that nautical vibe, the pattern, the color palette bring you to the ocean, bring you back to the ocean. Life is a beach. Love the lighthouse, little sailboat. The color, again, very neutral. It goes with most of the theme with the blue and the light brown, the sand and the beach. So that's what it represents from is the life on the beach, life on the sand. And the coconut, like here, and the seashell. We also have some big ocean waves here, be the sunshine. That's the cluster. Love the lighthouse with the sailboat. Reminds me of my home. I'm from a beach city, so this is how I grew up. Like go to the beach all the time. Enjoy summer. Oh, every summer has a story. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. So true. Very inspiring, right? Love this page. And to here we transition to the transparent stickers. And like I mentioned, this is all hand drawn only for us that you cannot find anywhere else. Love the ocean, the girl with the surfboard, the little beach reading time. And the Polaroid frame capture all this precious memory for you. I cannot wait to use this during the summer. It's really cool. We never done anything like this. Very focus on fine-tuned with the one thing, versus very generic. So we usually do the generic, and this one is more toned into the beach, the sand. All I need is sunshine and the beach water. It reminds me San Diego. So see, we also have the smaller stickers for people who use Hobonichi or B6, smaller planners. Those are the beach views, the beach sunrise or sundown. And this is a whole sheet of different waves, big waves too. So this is called a Nautical Summer. And then we'll take a look at the campfire, the autumn campfire. And I love this cover. It has this girl holding that heart fall. Very cute. Love this small stickers already. Life is better at the campfire. The whole fall vibe. Like I mentioned, we'll not release them until the season. So best way for you to secure those stickers is to get the gift set, as we're gonna release during December 13, 11 a.m. Central Time. We have a small amount of the gift set, and then when each season comes, you can also purchase them separately. Autumn skies and pumpkin pies. As you can see, we play with the shadow of falling leaves. Love this whole color palette too. Fall nights and bonfire lights. Love the cluster page. Fall nights and bonfire lights. Life is better at the campfire with the marshmallow. So cute. And with the girls all get together with that beautiful fall outfits. Donut. And that's the transparent stickers. Some more, the notebook. Camping, little guitar. Love the butterfly too. So cool. the little light lantern gave me a fall vibe. I cannot wait for this fall because like all these stickers made me already wants to go through fall again. Smaller stickers over here. Love those big chunk stickers that you can put on the bottom or the side. Whole bonfire nights. So that's the autumn campfire. And this one is the winter wonderland. Love this one. It's so dreamy. Very, very dreamy. I know people like me living in Houston would never, would not experience a weather like this. But people who live in the colder weather will. So dreamy. But even if you live in warmer weather, this still give you, at least your planner can go through a beautiful winter wonderland, right? Love this box. Look at the snow, the night, the star within a box. So beautiful. Love this scene. Look. So the whole like winter time, January, February, even some places in March still snows. Winter is magical. Love the ski, all this like winter trees. So beautiful and so dreamy. Everything's magical when it snows. It's true. Love all these beautiful girls with the ski or ice skating. Little snow cone. Love the color palette too. Very soft, very neutral. We had a sticker collection called Cozy Winter. It sold out like 2 weeks. And so like if you missed that collection, you want some for your winter, this is a great option because the other one sold out and this one is coming to the rescue. Love this one, hot chocolate weather. Smaller stickers. We will do more smaller sticker. We have people in our Facebook group talk about they using smaller planner. So we will be release more smaller version for you ladies who use a smaller planner. So love all this magical sky, magical little buildings, little village. So cool. So this is the winter wonderland. Winter wonderland, autumn campfire. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below. What's your favorite? Or do you love the whole vibe of this seasonal sensation collection? And Boho spring, nautical summer, autumn campfire, and winter wonderland. So this 4 all will be in this beautiful gift box. Very sturdy, great for a little gift to you or to your friends or family who love sticker, especially the seasonal stickers. This will release on December 13. It's could be our last release for December. If the next shipment arrive early, we will release the seasonal sensation PET. Right now, December 13, this beautiful gift set will be available on my website at shoprongrong.com. And mark your calendar, mark your alarm. If you are my Patreon, you can join my Patreon down below too. They will get early access early next week to be the first ones that grab this beautiful box. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. I will be back with more release tutorials, hacks and tips all about planners, stickers, scrapbooking. So make sure you follow so you don't miss the next video. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, everyone. I will talk to you soon.